What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming how to do this makeup look using everything I bought from Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. Also, if you're interested in some of my jewelry I'm wearing, which are these like amazing cute little yellow earrings and this necklace that goes with it. It's one of those like long necklaces. I got it all from Paparazzi. I have a friend that sells it. It's jewelry for like $5. It is amazing. You need to get on it. So I'm going to leave her little page down below so you guys can click it. Go to it. Check it out. Literally everything is $5. It is worth it because you can get awesome pieces like this and look great and not have to spend a fortune. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to prime my face. I don't have anything on. So the primer that we got during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So this is the one I'm going to use since we're using everything that we got from there. And this is what it looks like. It's very liquidy, but it feels so great on the skin. Oh, just like I remember. I really should have gotten a hair tie, but I did not. So now that we've primed the face, I did not get a foundation during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, but I did pick up, let me open it first, while I was at Ulta, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So I did get the shade F6, which is what I am in their Fast Base stick. I'm the shade F6. So I was kind of hoping, and I did try to do it in store, that this will work. So we'll see. And I'm going to use my, I got an Impressions vanity mirror. So this is what I'm looking at when I'm kind of doing everything. But I'm going to use a brush today. So let's see. I've never used this before, so I'm hoping it turns out well. And it comes out on the doe foot applicator. So I'm just going to, oh man. This is like hardcore coverage. I'm just going to like dot it all over my face. Wow, this is like hardcore coverage. I don't think you really would need much of it, to be honest. I probably put a little too much. Y'all, I just put foundation on my eyeballs. Okay, I think I will be okay to put the paint pot on top of it and see how that works. This came out really nicely though. What do y'all think? It might be a little bit pale, but I'll warm it up with bronzer and all, so it won't be too bad. But that is it, shade F6, and it says it's full coverage foundation, and this ain't no lie, it is full coverage. So far so good though. I mean, I was quite surprised, a little worried, but quite surprised. And then I don't think I got, no I did not. I didn't get a concealer, so I'm just going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. And I use, what shade? Neutralizer. I did get smooth powders. I actually got two. I I got Beauty Bakery powder and then the Too Faced Born This Way powder. But I think today I'm going to go with Too Faced Born This Way. So, and I just got it in this shade translucent. So let's open her up. Okay, perfect. There's no sticker on it. I'm just gonna put a little bit into the cap and set my whole face with it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use that powder brush, and I'm not really gonna do much baking. I just really want to kind of see how it looks, to be honest. That was nice. So far, y'all, I'm pretty happy with what I got. I think, which a lot of these are like favorites of knitting people, which is why they're on the 21 Days of Beauty. But you never know, because sometimes people's tastes are different, so yeah. So far, so good. I did get some powder on me, though. Alright, so I'm trying to put, I don't want to waste it, so I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, and I normally store my powders upside down anyway, because I do that so much, so whatever. Let's go ahead. I do not have a, I don't have any eyeshadow, so let's see, what can I use for eyeshadow? Ooh. Okay, we are going to use the Shein XO, the Remix palette that I got from when I did my TJ Maxx haul. So, and we're just going to do something simple, but I'm so excited to use this. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to grab this MAC Paint Pot. And how do I want to do this, y'all? Do I want to just take a brush and do that, or do I want to just do it with my fingers? I don't know. I guess I'll just take it with my finger. That way I can at least feel it. And I got this in the shade Soft Ochre, which is one everybody raves about. This one and Painterly is what you hear most people talking about. So I don't know how it's going to work because I've had that foundation over my eyes because I'm a dummy and I forgot. So I got this. But I want to try it. So I'm just going to pat it on with my finger. Got this on. Let's put this out of the way. And then I'm going to go in. Let's do like some gold. So I'm going to go into this side and go into Need You right here. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and buff it into my crease. Really just get that in there. Ooh, I probably should have used Buttercup. Let's use a little bit of Buttercup, and I'm gonna go into this, use this Luxie 245 small shader brush that I got in my BoxyCharm, and I'm just gonna use Buttercup right here to set the. Oh, I didn't go into Buttercup that time. Oh, I don't know if I showed you. This is Buttercup right here. And then let's go back into, what did I say? Need You. Dang, that is looking good. Okay, I think, let's go, no. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Dark Horse right here and go just in my outer corner. And all I'm taking is just a pointed brush. It's a little bit more dense. And just take that out here. Mostly because I love the darker outer corner. Dude, this shadow, this eyeshadow palette, I should have gotten it a long time ago. It is so nice. So nice. And then we are going to take Island Glow, which is this one right here. And I'm honestly taking it on my finger. I'm like packing it on. And I know it looks crazy, but I promise you, it'll look better. I promise. Dark Horse again. And blend these two babies together so it's not as crazy. Get liner. So I've been using lately this Pretty Vulgar pot liner, and it's in Blacklist, the gel liner. So I'm going to use that for my tops, and then I'll grab one of these pins down here, or maybe I'll use some shadow. And then I am going to take, let's see, I'm going to take this little small precision brush right here, and I'm going to take Dark Horse and just line my eyes with it. And then I'm going to take Need You, and just pop it up. So now we're done with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and use my mascara real quick. Mascara is on, and I'm going to use this Smashbox contour palette that I got. So this is it right here. And then I'm going to use, let's see, where's my brush at? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bronzer right here. And start bronzing up my face. Because I feel like I look a little pale. But it might be the light. Might be a little bit better. Because I know it's like super bright. Okay. And then I am going to use the blush in this palette. And then the highlight. Whew. to highlight my face. Because I am just feeling that way today. I accidentally dipped into the bronzer. Now it's on my nose. Okay. Much better. That was scary. Oh my god. So that is done, which I love it. Okay. Last thing, let's try out one of these. Let's go with Cinnamon Swirl. So this is one of the lipsticks I got from Colors. It is a satin lipstick. And this is the packaging right here. This is the one that I like had issues. So. Oh, wow. It's gonna take me a little bit to get used to like the bullet, but I think I'm going to like it. Like, it feels really nice on the lips. And then, last thing, our Coconut Fix Plus to set everything. Oh, that smells delicious. But what do you guys think? This is my look with everything. Well, most of the stuff I got from my 21 Days of Ulta. I completely forgot my brows. But that completes this video. If you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.